Hi my dearest traders, and welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see you once again in today's new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be trading with technical analysis, and I'm going to be using the help of the moving average indicator. So this indicator helps to show you reversal points on the market. I'm going to use it and try and hit my goal for today. Hopefully I'm able to do that by the end of the video. So stay tuned to see if I hit my goal, and maybe you will like my trading strategy and you can use it in your own trades. So let me show you how to activate this indicator and use it in your trades. So this indicator is already activated and all the settings are by default. So it looks like the moving average of yellow color that is forming right on the chart, and the signal of the indicator is the moment when, for example, the price is crossing the moving average from bottom to top and is still moving further up. Here you can see the moving average is also reversing and moving along with the price. That's how you can understand that this was a reversal of the trend, and very soon the price will be moving up, and in this situation you can open an up trade due to this upward movement. And also another point is when the price is crossing the moving average from top to bottom and also moving further down, the moving average is also reversing and moving along with the price. So this means that very soon we'll be seeing a downward movement. That was a reversal of the trend from this point. Here you can open a down trade, and here we will do it due to the downward movement. And also when using this indicator, I shouldn't forget about the support and resistance levels, how price is approaching all these levels before using the indicator signals. Let me find my first entry point and explain it to you. So guys, here I can see from the support level there was the pullback up, and after that from this point the price reversed, and you can see the price crossed the moving average from top to bottom and is still moving lower. Here I'm going to open a down trade for 1 minute. You can see that the moving average is reversing and going along with the price. Here I understand that the point shows us there is a reversal of the trend and the price will be moving down. So here you can see that the red candlesticks are forming. On this movement down, I try and make very good profit, and I think that 1 minute will be quite enough here because I can see the price moves down quite confidently. So guys, it's very good. You can see the price continues moving down here, and I made a very good profit. So this was a very good trade, and I think now you can understand how all the situations will be working today. Let me continue. So before I continue, I have a private chat in Telegram channel. In this private chat, you're going to learn a lot about binary trading, ask questions concerning binary trading, and also interact with the other members of the group. If you'd like to join, go under the video. It has a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team, and I'll add to this private chat. So guys, here I'm going to open an up trade for 1 minute immediately because I can see the support level at the bottom of the chart. You can also see the price approaches this level. Here you can see the reaction. You can see the price is bouncing from the level and moving up. You can also see the price crosses the moving average from bottom to top and is moving further, and the moving average also reversed and is moving along with the price. That's here I understand that there was the pullback up, and this movement I'll try and make very good profit. Let me wait for the results. So guys, it's very interesting because you can see the price really bounced up here, and I got a very good profit. 1 minute was perfectly enough time for this trade. I was able to make very good profit on this movement. You can see that after the pullback up, the price reversed, and you can see the red candlesticks appearing. So I want to open the next trade here. I'm going to click a down trade for 1 minute. You can see that there were the impulsive red candlesticks. The price crossed the moving average from top to bottom, and the moving average is also reversing and moving along with the price. This means that the price will move down to the level. Here you can see that the price highs are becoming lower on the chart. So the price has a very good downside potential here, and the price is still moving down here. So on this moment, I'll try to make very good profit. Let me wait for the results. So guys, it's very good. You can see the price really continued moving down to the level, and here I got a very good profit. As you can see, I was able to prognose everything correctly due to the help of this indicator. First of all, I worked out on the bounce from the level, and then the price reversal with the movement down. Let me continue. So I have noticed that a lot of you aren't yet subscribed to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel because it really supports me. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share my videos. So guys, here I'm going to open a down trade immediately for 1 minute because I can see there was the movement down, and after the pullback up, the price reversed and it also crossed the moving average from top to bottom and is moving further. Here you can see that the moving average is reversing and moving along with the price. And on this movement down, I'm trying to make very good profit because you can see the price highs are updating and becoming lower, and that's here I understand that mainly the price has been trending down, and I guess 1 minute will be quite enough here. So this is very good. You can see that the price really continues moving down, and I got a very good profit here. As you can see, I was able to prognose everything correctly thanks to the help of the indicator. Let me continue. So guys, here I'm going to open a down trade immediately for 1 minute because I can see the resistance level line at the top. You can also notice the price touching this level, then bounces down. You can see this red impulsive candlesticks. You can also see that the price crossed the moving average from top to bottom, and the moving average is reversing and moving along with the price. That's here I understand that the price bounced from the resistance level and go to the correction zone. So let me check what will happen very soon. Hopefully I'll make very good profit here. So guys, it's very good because you can see the price really continues moving down, and here I made a very good profit. Here I had enough time to work out on the situation. Let me continue. So guys, in this situation, I want to open a down trade for 1 minute because I can see after the pullback, the price reversed, and you can see the impulsive red candlesticks forming. You can also see the price across the moving average from top to bottom and is moving further, and the moving average also reversed and moving along with the price. You can see the residual room towards the support level, and I think the price will continue moving down. So on this movement, I'm trying to make very good profit. Let's see what will happen here. So guys, here you can see that there has been an attenuation and a slight pullback up, and here I got a loss. Unfortunately, I had to put in more time for the trade here. You can see that my technical analysis was right here, but there was a slight attenuation and the price goes down to the level, but it's okay. I still have enough deposit. I can continue trading and make up this loss. So guys, here in this situation, I'm going to open a down trade for 1 minute because I can see there has been a very good uptrend, and at the top this is the resistance level. So after touching this level, there was a reversal, and you can see the red candlesticks. So the price crossed the moving average from top to bottom, and this moving average is also reversing and moving along with the price. That's here I understand the price bounced from the resistance level and is moving lower. You can also see the correction movement, which is accurate, and on this movement I want to try and make very good profit, hoping 1 minute will be enough time for this, which I think will be quite enough. Let me wait and see. So guys, it's quite good. You can see the price is still moving lower, and here I got a very good profit. I was able to make money on this movement, and the indicator was right. It showed me a very good entry point. So really from the resistance level, you can see there was a good reaction, and price bounced from this level and showed very good red candlesticks. So let me continue. So are you looking for a broker that you can use that is quite reliable, trustworthy, and easy? I advise you to use the Pocket Option platform and the Quotex platform. I've been using this for quite some time, so if you'd like to join them, there is a link under the video. Just join them with the first time bonus. So guys, in this situation, I want to open a down trade for 1 minute because I can see that this is a resistance level at the top of the chart. You can also see the price bounces from the resistance level. You can see that the red candlesticks are appearing. So the price crossed the moving average from top to bottom and is moving further, and here you can see the moving average is also reversing and moving along with the price. I think that after this one-way movement, the price will bounce from the resistance level and is moving lower. So on this movement, and try to make very good profit. I'm going to check and see what will happen very soon. So guys, this is very good. The price continues moving down, and here I got a very good profit. I was able to analyze everything correctly, and the indicator really helped me a lot here. I made very good profit. Let me continue. So guys, here I can see there was a very good downward movement. The price approached the support level and the price bounced from it and showed very good green candlesticks, and you can see the price is crossing the moving average from bottom to top. Here you can notice the moving average is reversing and moving along with the price. So here I'm going to open an up trade for for 1 minute, I can see that after this one-way movement from the support level, there'll be the reaction and the price will bounce from the level and there'll be the pullback up. So in this correction movement, I'll try and make very good profit. As it usually happens, 1 minute is perfectly enough time. Let me wait and see. So guys, it's very good. There was an attenuation, but the movement up continued and I was able to make very good profit. So I think I analyzed everything correctly here, and the indicator really helped me show me a good entry point. You can see that now my deposit is $4,000. I'd like to open the last trade for today. So guys, in this situation, I'm going to open a down trade for 1 minute because I can see that this is the resistance level at the top. You can see the price is bouncing from the level and it's crossing the moving average from top to bottom and still moving further. And here you can see the moving average is also reversing and moving along with the price. That's here I understand that very soon there'll be the movement down. So right now the price bounced from the resistance level and shows the red candlesticks. I'll try and make very good money here, and I'm hoping 1 minute will be enough time for this. Let me wait and see what will happen. So guys, this is very interesting. You can notice the price continues moving down, and here I got a very good profit. I was able to analyze everything correctly and I made very good profit here. You can see that now my deposit is more than $6,000. It's almost $7,000. So I'm going to stop here, fix this profit and leave the market. So as you can see, I was able to hit my goal, but you can see that the combination of technical analysis and the indicator really gave me good entry points and I was able to make very good profit. You can be able to do it as well. You need to find similar situations and practice on them on the demo account, and within no time you'll be able to make very good profit. So don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video and subscribing to my channel. And also, if you are looking to learn more about binary trading, I advise you to join my private chat in Telegram channel. If you would like to join it, go under this video. It has a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat. So until next time, and good luck in your trades. Bye bye.